Planning a trip to the U.S. from New Zealand? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply for a U.S. visitor visa, step by step. First, go to the official U.S. Department of State website and fill out the DS-160 form online. This is your main visa application. Make sure all the info is accurate and save your confirmation page. You'll need it later. Next, create an account on the U.S. Visa Information Service for New Zealand website. Pay the visa fee, usually around $185, and schedule your visa interview at the U.S. Consulate in Auckland. Before your interview, gather your documents: a valid passport, your DS-160 confirmation, visa fee receipt, and proof of ties to New Zealand like job letters, bank statements, or return flight details. On the day of your interview, be honest and confident. Most interviews are short, and you'll usually know the result right away. If approved, your passport with the visa will be returned by courier in a few days. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for watching, and safe travels to the U.S.